Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, remove the background color, select the erase color, adjust the shape, select a photo to front the photo, save the shape and photo, select the 3D shape, select the color of shape, select the stroke, change the background color, please like the video and subscribe the channel.